Hey y'all, Nickie Brown here. No matter where you are, what part of the world you're in, I hope that you're having a good day. So I just did a video the other day where I actually did my own nails, but I decided to soak them off. Um, the reason why is a whole nother story. But anyway, I just went right to Family Dollar and I got 100% acetone, right? And I've had this bowl for quite some time because I do this, and this bowl was $1. So I got $1 bowl. I have a plastic bowl and I have another little small bowl. They were all $1, and I just used that and I put it with the rest of my nail stuff, so that if you want to save some money for going to the nail salon to soak off your nails, just get yourself some 100% acetone. The dollar stores are no longer dollar stores. They're $1.25 stores or $1.49 stores. But you can still get some acetone. I think this was $1.25 at Family Dollar. Um, and you can soak your own nails off and save a couple dollars. So I just wanted to show you that, because I know a lot of people bite them off or peel them off and it hurts, and it does more damage to your nails. So I always use the acetone. And they put some more press-ons on, but I normally get them from Family Dollar, but I think I'm going to go to Target and look to see the selection they have, or even the beauty supply store. We have Beauty Master is the beauty supply store chain or franchise in Atlanta. So if I don't find what I want in Target, I may go to Beauty Master to see what they have. But I just wanted to share that tip with y'all. Love y'all. Later. Hope it was helpful.